So in this Redfin tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find houses with a fireplace in them here on Redfin. So once Redfin is opened up, I want you to go ahead and type in your location. I'll use Las Vegas for this demonstration and then press on search. Now, if you're looking for a house or a townhouse or whatever that offers a fireplace, go to the top to where it says filters, press on that, then just scroll down until you come across home features right here, and make sure that fireplace right here is selected. Once that is done, go to the bottom right, press on see homes. Now what you're going to be seeing is listings that have a fireplace in them. So very straightforward, very simple. This is how to find houses with a fireplace here on Redfin. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.